Hello everyone and welcome to the Top Apps Tech. Today I want to show you the best puzzle game that its name is Trivia Track. Play fun trivia quiz questions. Have fun challenging your friends and enemies in the hottest trivia game. Let our friend spin a wheel, Willy. Select which question you will answer from 6 different categories. Be the first to get the sixth crown to win, but watch out for the rematch. It is the best game. It is 215.4 MB in iOS and less on Android. I recommend all of you guys to download the app and challenge your friends and enemies. Let's open it. And here guys we have several things. The first one we have the lives, we have the kinds, and here we have the trivia topics, trivia tone, guess and grab, another thing. And here we have the right answer, that's all for the money. Another thing we have, then here we have the trophies that we can collect it by answering the questions. Let's play a classic, play now, and Spain. Yeah, geography, science, history, art, sports, entertainment. I'm going to select the sports. And what is the name of this sport? Wrestling, sumo, box, karate. I think it is wrestling. Oh, it's sumo. Continue. Let's play another. Play now. Tap to spin. Art. Which company was the first to manufacture film cameras? Canon, Nikon, Kodak. I think it is Canon or Nikon. I think it is Canon. Oh, it is Kodak. Wow. Continue. Let's. So all we have 3 lifts, and 1 lifts cost 1 hour to come up. I recommend all of you guys, as you see, it's the best game. It's very enjoyable game. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and press the ring bell, and comment below which app or which game do you want that I make videos for you guys. Thank you.